Scattergories, the card game. How to play. The object of the game is to collect the most cards. Remove the 2 I know cards from the deck and place one in the center of the table. The other is extra and can be returned to the box. Separate the cards into the letter deck and the category deck. Then shuffle each deck separately. Place the decks face up on the table. Take one card at random from each of the decks and place it face down on top of its deck. Once everyone is ready, the top cards of each deck are flipped over and the game begins. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. Players race to be the first player to come up with a correct word that begins with the letter from the deck that fits the revealed category. Once you know, you slap the I know card and say, I know, followed by your answer. If multiple players slap the pile at the same time, then the player whose hand is at the bottom of the pile goes. If you give a correct answer, then you collect the category card or the letter card, your choice. Then the game continues with a new card underneath the one you took. If you give an incorrect answer, then you must return one of your collected cards to the middle of the deck, and the next player who knows goes. If you give a questionable answer, then the group discusses and the majority decides if it should be allowed. If no player is able to come up with a correct word after a long time, then remove either top card of its deck and put that card in the box and continue playing. You must say I know when you slap the card. If you fail to do so, then you may not collect the card, and any other player who slaps and says I know may use your answer if they want. If you slap the I know, but you don't have an answer to say, then you lose your chance and must return a card to the deck. You are not allowed to repeat an answer for the same category. If you do, it counts as an incorrect answer and you lose a card. Finally, all hands must be at least 6 inches away from the I know card until you are ready to slap. You are not allowed to hover your hand over the card. Once one deck runs out of cards, the game ends and the player with the most collected cards wins. If there is a tie, then play again.